When it comes to online gaming, the logo you represent yourself with is the first and sometimes only impression people have of you. So why not make it as impressive as possible? The list we're about to share has 10 great, professional-grade Photoshop gaming logo templates to consider for your team or solo profile. Let's take a look. Number 10. Reaper Gaming Mascot Logo by NicoBayou19. Put your best, or maybe in this case, worst, face forward with this Reaper Gaming logo. It's the definition of intimidating, not only as a character, but also thanks to the strong use of dark colors throughout the design. And if you're not a fan of the deep purple and gray tones, no worries, that can also be edited with ease. Number 9. Kitsune Esport Gaming Logo Illustration by Mighty Fire Studio. Number 9 on our list is incredibly unique. Unlike the logo we just covered, this one embraces a flourishing artistic theme with pink, white, and yellow elements. The mascot showcased is a kitsune, a mythical Japanese creature with the ability to shapeshift. What a cunning way to represent yourself in the gaming world! Number 8. Super Robot Esport Gaming Logo by 11 Creative. I'll be back. And this time it's with a super robot, reminiscent of the Spartan armors in Halo. This esports logo strikes the perfect balance between intimidating and friendly, something any gamer's branding should have. Number 7. Game Hacker Logo by Yoga Pradana 7. What's the first thing you picture when you hear the word hacker? Hopefully it's not some dude in sweatpants typing away in his basement, because this Game Hacker logo is far from that stereotype. The cool purple and green color scheme is visually striking, to say the least, elegantly mixing bright tones with glowing elements to create a powerful final look. Number 6. Rabbit Gaming Logo Template by SlideHack. If you prefer to stick to the playful side of gaming, try this Photoshop gaming logo template. It features a cute rabbit with controller-inspired eyes that mimic the love many have when they see their favorite console. This video is brought to you by Envato Elements, a library with millions of creative assets to bring your gaming channel or esports team to the highest level. From motion graphics templates and royalty-free music to social media designs and graphic templates, you'll find everything you'll need to create top-quality content. Sign up today via the link in the description below. Number 5. Infinite Game Logo by 3AB2OU. For some people, gaming isn't just a pastime or hobby, it's a way of life. The logo shown here expresses that feeling perfectly by reworking a console into an infinity symbol. The bright purple and pink colors make this logo stand out, while the sleek design keeps it professional. It's a great way to show your commitment to gaming and make sure your brand stands out from the rest. Number 4. Retro Game Logo by 11 Creative. Let's take things back to the early days of gaming. Pac-Man, Space Invaders, Donkey Kong, it's all long gone, but nostalgia is something everyone can appreciate. Case in point, this awesome logo template. It takes a retro concept and gives it a modern twist with shiny, bright colors paired with shadow detail. Number 3. Panda Gaming Logo by Ben Pen Studio. Pandas are notoriously cute. Most of the time you'll see them depicted as a friendly character that just wants to say hi. So what is this? A panda you don't want to mess with. Ideal for competitive fields like esports, this logo template features a fierce panda with glowing eyes and an ironclad grip on its controller. Number 2. Anonymous Gamer Logo by 11 Creative. Maybe you're a solo gamer who doesn't need to be part of any team. That's totally cool. And this logo template reflects that perfectly. It features a mysterious hooded figure with a controller in hand, ready to take on any challenge. Number 1. Phoenix Sport and Esport Logo Vector Template by Naulicria. Strike fear in the eyes of competitors with this bold Phoenix sporty logo. The design takes on an emblem format, showcasing the mascot right in the center. The colors and textures work together to create a rugged version of the majestic creature. adding an extra layer of intensity. Game over! We've reached the end of our countdown of the 10 best gaming mascot logo Photoshop templates on Envato Elements. Did any stand out to you? What game are you playing right now? Tell us in the comments. As always, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Don't forget to check out the suggested video to the right of your screen now. It's been selected just for you. See you there!